bet there's a useful part around here. Let's have a look.
We exist in curves and motion. We skirt the knife's edge between life and death, traction and freefall. I'm Aki Kimura, the Drift King. Welcome to Noise Bomb. Sean McAllister. Been some chatter about you. Hear word you're gunning for my crown.
I'm not after your crown, Kimura, but I am here to beat your score.
We're crushing records across the country. You think you can stop us from taking Fortune Valley's top spot?
Living the American dream, eh? I dig it. But Fortune Valley's records are mine.
This run's called the Whipsnake Loop. Let's see what you can do.
Watch and learn. Here we go. That'll do.
What's this I hear about you racing off-road?
Nothing like kicking up some dirt.
You'd never fit in with Noise Bomb.
Hey, Aki, just checking. How am I tracking?
You beat the target already, and you know it.
Ha ha! Thought so. Oh, come on. All right.
You've already proven yourself for another trial. Now it's just all about flavor.
Flavor. Man, you just said the magic words. Watch and learn. All right.
I didn't think you could beat our score on the Whipsnake Loop. Looks like I was wrong.
That'll teach you to bet against me. Good stuff.
There goes the Noise Bomb record. Well done.
Boom! Score one for Fortune Valley.
Nice job on the Whipsnake Loop.
Uh-huh. I made light work of that record.
We'll do the bridge run next. Prove to me this wasn't a fluke.
Twist my arm.
Show me your art, McAllister.
You can call me Vincent Van Gogh. Haha! Showtime! There goes my finesse. There we go. I could hit these angles all day. All right. All right.
A worthy performance, Mac. you're good.
Yeah, good enough to beat the king.
Nobody beats the king.
What about that guy? Ryan, I think.
That was years ago. Nobody's done it since.
Then let me have a shot, Your Highness.
Soon. First, we hit the observatory. Welcome to the legendary Stargazer's Run. Show us what you've got.
Gotta crush this! There we go! Now we're talking! I'ma keep going. Yeah, this is Unit 23. We have someone out here who's verifiably on fire. Over and out. Keep it going. Oh, crap. Excuse me, superstar, coming through. The king is here, baby!
Nice show getting up there. But the fun part's getting back down.
Time to show off. That better buff out. Here it goes. Salvage the line. This is the good stuff right here. Probably one of my best rounds in a while. My bad. Ain't no one like me.
I gotta say, you own the Stargazer's run. People are noticing. You're trending online.
I am? Aces.
They connected the dots with your shift lock performance as well. Looks like you're turning into a local drifting legend.
I was always a legend. Fortune Valley is just catching up now.
Anyway, you earned a shot at my score. I'll see you on the Silver Canyon All-Star.
Are you done talking yet? Let me hit the course.
Hey Mac, how's it going, Noise Bomb?
Awesome. Their stream is getting record views because of me.
This isn't about views, Mac. We're doing this to get in the Outlaws' rush. Stay focused.
Tired, bruv. This stuff is why I came to America. Just let me savor it, all right?
Okay, Mac. Go kick some ass, you superstar.
I won't even charge you for an autograph.
Give it up, Mac. There's no way you're touching my score on the Silver Canyon All-Star.
We'll see about that. Kiss the top spot goodbye, Drift King.
Okay, that was nice.
Woo! I am on fire! So, Aki, if I am an artist, and I like off-road,
Stop. I'm not trying off-road.
come on, it'll be fun!
I'm astounded. It's only the beginning and you've already beat my record.
Don't know why you're surprised. I said I would.
Right on. And the artist just keeps going.
No reason not to reach as high as I can. Oh, come on.
I don't know why I'm still watching. You crushed my record already.
Because you just can't tear your eyes away.